office. I never have no store experience, but as I say, yeah, I go. You don't know, say, the people them interview me for a manager, but employ me as an associate. What the fuck? Actually, me walk, you know, so me tell him, say, look, you know, man, I know, I'm a little, me tell him, say, I can do better than this. No, this was not what I signed up for. And I'm gonna say, oh, but you have tried, you soon get promoted. I say, promoted? It's not a matter of getting promoted. You're not going to use that as a way to make it look like, oh, you're so, because you not get promoted within 3. No, you employ me as this and then you tell me something totally different. You're a liar. And in a Jamaica, we don't load up your blood clot for that. But because we're there, so now you have to tell me, say, boy, oh, you stay. And then because I grow good, you have to stay up and cook it and cut straight, my father said. So I humble myself. I humble myself. And when I realize, every blood clot when I go work in Canada, the deception did it. Them liars fuck. Everywhere. Everywhere. Even the blood clot dark on the street are back in a lie.
So, ladies and gentlemen, you just know. Like, you don't know until you actually live it or you actually had the opportunity to come here. Because a lot of people message me, email me, people that I don't even talk to when I first got here. Oh, wanted to come, who don't want to come visit, who don't want, like, it's really, really tough. Yes, you see the nice hair, you see the nice clothes, the nails, the this.
Them just show the finish line.
Okay.
Them just show the blood clot finish line. You hear me say, take my foolish advice. Anything you have to say, talk it truth and just blood clot, say it. Yeah? Raw, uncut and uncensored. Anything you have, speak your truth and speak it from out here and make it manifest. Nobody go in no corner because every time you lie and try to deceive somebody, you commit suicide. You tell lie right down in your soul, to echo back down in your soul.
Well said. That was well said. So this conversation is very juicy. And I hope and trust that it brought some kind of light into your day. If you have any kind of something to add, have you had similar experiences? Like, don't be afraid to message us underneath in the comment section. Let's get talking. Let's get to break down some of these barriers that a lot of people don't want to talk about, or if they do talk about it, it's very censored and very, you know, closed up. So,
and if you're doing it regardless, if you are doing whatever regardless, yeah, and you have something that you want to say, don't be afraid to hit us out.
Hit us out.